have this big chunk of maple that's been sitting outside. Looks like it might be nicely spalted. It's going to need to be cut a little bit so I can mount it a little bit more safely on the lathe. But I want to cut a little bit of it. So in that process, I'm going to first fix it to that board so it gives me a flat surface before I run this through the bandsaw. Welcome to Not All Wood Turning. Today's turning is this big chunk of maple. It's been sitting outside a couple of years, kind of in the firewood burn pile. Earlier, I'll show you that piece too, I sliced this rough edge off, saving this because there's some nice spalting in here and some red spalting as well. This piece, however, I'm going to turn into a bowl. I'll slowly start increasing the speed, because the faster it goes, well, the less of an interrupted cut. You see as it comes around here, I get a cut, air, and then I get a cut. Every time I get that cut, I get that whack, whack, whack sound. So I have the worm screw in. However, this wood might be a little punky, though it seems pretty good. Just in case, I'm not afraid of it coming off because I'm going to be using tailstock support. But I also don't want the worm screw stripping inside its pilot hole. So just a little bit more support with a few more screws. This will all be carved out anyways. Welcome back. It's been about 24 hours. I've given the back a few coats of the polyurethane. I've also sanded it down a couple of times. Now I have turned it around. We begin the hollowing. I've already put a couple of coats on the outside, but I have since sanded it a little bit. So let me put another coat of the polyurethane on this outer surface. I can take a few more coats before this piece is fully ready. Let's see what the inside looks like. See a little bit of the red spalting coming through there as well. Welcome back to Night Owl Woodturning. The maple bowl has been finished, sanded, nice and smooth. Pretty good for a piece of firewood. If you like this video, go ahead, please click on the like button. If you want to see more videos like this from me, please subscribe to my channel. This is Night Owl Woodturning. Thank you for watching.